Hi, my name is Elias Fares. As a product designer, I've worked at tech startups in Toronto, at banks, I've worked in the government as well. One of my favorite teaching styles is always bringing modules and topics back to real-world cases. So I love bringing up examples of my work, discussing real-world scenarios, how research methods or design activities are applied in the real world. This program stands out from others because it's not a boot camp. This program is much longer, so it gives students the time and the opportunity to really master the design skills that they need. What I enjoy the most about working with students in this space is their ambition and their curiosity. You get people from different backgrounds and different fields. They come here to really learn from industry experts. In the UX design program, there's 3 courses. In each course, students build on a case study. So by the end of the program, they'll have a nice case study that they could present in their design portfolio. 90% of the time, this is what's brought to the job interview. So if you're applying for a job, if you want to become a UX designer, you need to have something to show and present. So a case study is the perfect piece for that. It's never too late to join. It's never too late to become a product designer or UX designer. I know people that have all different backgrounds that want to get into this field or have gotten into this field. UX is still growing as an industry and designers are needed all the time. I look forward to seeing you guys in the UX design program class.